Good morning, members of the media. This morning we have two separate briefs, one that I will announce shortly, and PS Health will give a short brief on the status or the operation for Ministry of Health. At a brief this morning at the National Disaster Management Office, following the most recent advice and the trajectory of Cyclone Ana, it was decided that the curfew hours nationwide will revert to 11 p.m. until 4 a.m. from today. Therefore, all movements will be allowed into the non-curfew hours, and all businesses can remain open with access to all services. However, members of the public are strongly encouraged to refrain from any non-essential movement and to remain indoors inside their homes or in evacuation centers until further notice. Despite the shift in the cyclone's trajectory, we can still expect heavy rains, strong winds, and flooding throughout Fiji starting from today. Fiji Police Force and the RFMF personnel are being deployed across the country to maintain public health and safety. Again, I'm reiterating, curfew hours from today will be from 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. This is after the emergency committee have analyzed the cyclone trajectory upon consultations with Director Met.